Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Canva. So first of all, go ahead and open up a new board right here, okay? And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here and see the new board. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click the upload right here, and I'm going to upload one file of that gentleman right here, right? So I'm going to just extend that photo, or you can upload it by yourself by clicking upload files, and you're going to be able to upload it through your photos. In my case, I'm gonna just quick demonstrate how it's done, right? And I'm gonna just make it extended like this one. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to another page, or just click the plus of added page, and then I'm gonna add the building right here, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend it to, right? And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna let me just extend it to be a little bit bigger right here, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get back to that gentleman, and then I'm gonna just go ahead to the elements right here at the top, and then click or search for gradient, and then look for this kind of background. So I'm gonna just click this one, and I'm gonna to make it on the left, like this one, and I'm gonna extend it to be on the left, right? So I'm gonna place it to be like this. All right, now what I'm gonna do, the same goes, or the opposite side, for the same background or for the same gradient that I use. So I'm gonna just make it on the right like this, right? Extend it, right? I'm gonna make it to the right, right? I'm gonna extend it to be bigger. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save both photos right here by clicking share, and then click download right here, and then you're gonna be able to see an option to download all the images, right? So after you download it, add another page, which is the page 3, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead to the uploads again, and I'm gonna choose the finalized this background or white background gradient thing right here, right? Or sorry, I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna add the scroll a little bit down right here, add another page, right? And I'm gonna add the building right here, right? That I just made it on in the white gradient. So I'm gonna extend it to be big, right? And I'm gonna add the photo right here of that gentleman, and I'm gonna extend it as well, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to that transparency right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit like this one, okay, to be a little bit like this, right? Afterwards, there's another step for this. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click share at the top right, and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, click download, scroll a little bit down, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it out, and I'm gonna choose this one right here, the current page, and I'm gonna just hit download, right, for that image. And what I'm gonna do next, which is very crucial, I'm gonna download this image, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just add another page. Let me just close this window, another page, by clicking the plus button right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just upload the files, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add this photo, or the finalized photo right here, and I'm gonna just click by adding it right here. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and make it right here by clicking that edit image at the top left, right? And basically you're gonna be able to adjust right here by clicking adjust. You're gonna be able to adjust the temperature, right, to be to make it a little bit more clear. All right, so I'm gonna let me just close this one, and then click edit image again, adjust, scroll a little bit down, and then you can just adjust the contrast and the height as well. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.